My client business was invisible on Google. We just added 3 text files, and within a couple of months, he started ranking into Google. His competitors were paying to be into a top ranking, and he was not paying a dime. He was there for free. This is the same system that I use for my clients, and you can also use it for free. It does not require any ad agency writing 50 blog posts. You just need 5 minutes and you are good to go. File number one, llms.txt. It tells AI what's your business do. Markdown mirror. Let's say I read your website clean, no code, no error. And thirdly, sitemap.xml. It tells Google which pages actually matters and important. Add these 3 text pages into your website, and your website also started ranking over Google and AI. And yeah, if you require any help, just DM me or comment down below. Small business owners, this is for you. If you are trying to get into Google and are overwhelmed with SEO, you should do this, and believe me, it would definitely work. Go to answerthepublic.com and search what you sell. In my case, it's car accessories, and you will get a bunch of questions that people are searching or asking over Google. You need to pick any of these questions and open an incognito mode. Type that question in that incognito mode, and what are the top 3 to 4 articles you find there? Just copy them, give the link to the ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT what is the common pattern you are finding. On the basis of that common pattern, write a new vlog for your website, and do this process again and again for every questions that you saw on the Answer the Public. And believe me, you will get the ranking. In Google, nothing matters the most than the content plus intent. If you require any help, just DM me right away. I would personally help you to get into the Google ranking. Just a reminder that 22% of the global population using Gmail, and this is the simplest marketing hack that you can use it. Go to Gemini and upload your logo and write a prompt, animate it, and it would give you something like this. Download it and now search MP4 to GIF and convert it into a GIF file. Now go on a google.gmail.com and upload this GIF as your profile picture, and you will realize this is the simplest hack you have ever came to know. Literally nobody is doing it, and it's improved the open rates by tons. And you know what? 75% of the US market use Gmail. So go do it and follow me for more. This guy is getting 40,000 worth of business from Google for free every month. And here's the receipt. And this is how you can do it. Go to answerthequestion.com and tell him about your business and answer all the questions by writing a blog using ChatGPT. Along with that, add an image plus 3 internal links. That's it. Do it every week for 1 hour and see how the business roll in. And yeah, if you need any help, just DM us. Along with that, I've given a free detailed prompt in the comments that you can use on ChatGPT for writing a blog. There is a recent update in an SEO industry. Smaller and high intent pages are getting more into ranking and AI citations. That's the big businesses. And recently I shared a data of a prompt to watch it. They also have to say the same thing. After listicle product pages and landing pages are the ones that are cited more in AI and Google. From smaller and high intent pages, I mean you need to create landing pages on the basis of high intent search term. For example, you are in a tuition industry, so you need to create a landing page, separate landing pages from class 11th, class 12th, 9th, 8th, 7th, 6th with the keyword terms like home tutor near me for class 11th, home tutor near me for class 12th. You are finding this confusing, and if you need my help, just DM. Here is the number one thing that you can do this week on your website. And the best part, it would hardly take 30 seconds. Grab the link of any of your blog, go over a ChatGPT and write this prompt. Please write an intro for this blog, answering the blog in the first paragraph itself. And if it is not possible, please write the TLDR for this blog, including your blog link. We need to accept it that people are too lazy to skim through whole vlog, and AI is lazy as hell. So the first paragraph itself answers the question. So people who are looking for answers, they can read from there, and AI as well pick up these answers from your vlog. Do this on your every vlog. I promise, along with AI, Google will also love you. And if you need any help in your content strategy, just DM me right away. Google will delete all your reviews, and I am guarantee you are unaware about this. If you force a customer for a review, Google will delete your reviews. But how Google will know about it? Google has a geolocation of everyone. So if a customer leaves a review and he or she would be in your premise, and if your store location meets with the customer location, Google will automatically know about it and it will delete your review. Now do this. So when a customer leaves your store after 2 hours, send him a Google link and ask for a review. By this way, a customer would be at the another place. You can get a review and Google will not able to catch you. If you are looking for any help, just DM me right away. We have grown the GMV from just 47 call a month to 142 calls a month in a period of 3 months. AI is the most underrated tool in today's generation. Works that are taking days to complete can be completed in just in an hour. I have just created a detailed guide over an SEO that can help you guys, and it's completely free. It includes prompt for Google business profile like GMV category audit, GMV attribute audit, competitor review tear down, review response strategy, GMV post strategy, and so more. Also, it includes website SEOs and keyword mapping, which includes keyword gap audit, service per city, page builder, prompts like that. So in total, there are 15 prompts, and you don't need to execute all the prompts at once. It also mentioned which week you need to use which prompt. Like for the first week you only need to run only one or two, for the second week you need to run 3 4 5 so like this it has been created. If you want this guide, just comment down below guide. I will share you in your DMs. This is insane. Google AI Overview has killed more businesses than ChatGPT. These are those businesses that provide information like Investopedia. They target top of the funnel. Their main goal is only traffic. But now, if you want to save your business in this AI era, you need to get cited in ChatGPT and Google. For that, you need to move from top of the funnel to the bottom of the funnel. At the bottom of the funnel, buyer is ready to buy. He is looking only for the right brand to buy it. And instead of targeting with only with blog, you should create a high intent landing pages for separate services or products. When somebody searches your services or product, it should directly lands into the Google AI Overview or ChatGPT, and you get the business on. If you are someone who is looking to get cited into AI, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Google, just DM me. SEO is dead. Really? The global SEO market in 2024 was at $81 trillion, and it is expected to grow at $171 trillion by 2030. Google trend shows SEO searches are all-time high. People are getting more interested in SEO and search engine optimization. It is growing at a CAGR of 13% year on year. And I would say it is the best time to get into the SEO or AI searches. So DM me right away to get found in AI searches. I am going to be brutally honest. When someone is saying SEO is dead, SEO is no more, so emotionally they are scared of an SEO. Because if you know how to get into a Google, you can get cited into ChatGPT as well. According to the data of SEMrush, Google, YouTube, and GitHub, these are the top 3 most cited websites in ChatGPT. If you are someone who is looking to get cited in AI, just DM me.